There were dramatic scenes when President Emmerson Mnangagwa was yesterday caught in the act, visibly getting cautioned by ZANU-PF Secretary for Youth Affairs, Tinubu Machakaire, so that his unconstitutional statements do not reach the general's ears. General Chiwenga is ED in the act, confirming is extending his term to 2013 was subscribe on the bell icon. In the footage below, Tinubu Machakaire is swiftly stopped by VP Chiwenga and told to back off. As a result, Mnangagwa is here to fully announcing that he is in perfect agreement with youths who are calling for the illegal extending of his presidential term beyond 2028. The same young ones who are also calling for the arrest of a firebrand or veteran Blessed Geza. The small group of youths caught on camera denouncing Geza were a handful from Mnangagwa's Millet Home Affairs province. The body movement and the posture is very tense and may indicate what is to happen in the coming few days. The development comes at a time when Mnangagwa brought up a fake inventor who is an armed robber to distract the masses that he is going to fix the economy with endless electricity technology, a day after Chiwenga received massive national support 3 weeks ago. The development is said to trigger a negative reaction and an informal statement made by a self-confessing military officer stated in passing that, in quotes, as we did in November 2017, and a high court order validated the removal of the late president of Zimbabwe, Araji Mugabe, when he started violating the constitution. Vakomne muzimu aya vachiti aiwa vakomana ava vakuda kuita vachida kutadza kuviolate the constitution. Aiwa zvakaitika muna 2017 zvinokwanisa kuitika apo kuti generally vanoona kuti information yavangasingafaniri kunzwa aiwa vanobata vakomana vari in the act. Tudze mafunguro emoti kudii pamusoro pechiitiko chipinda comment section medu. Subscribe, like, turn on the bell icon.